Quiet on the set.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. We're glad that you're here. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
And together we're Backyard Musings, the Science and Technology channel.
Yeah, and today we are talking about definitely a science topic involving a octopus, but not a normal octopus, and not in a normal place, in the Galapagos Islands. So let's talk about this little critter.
Newly discovered. So a newly discovered tiny blue octopus from the Galapagos is a striking reminder that the deep ocean still holds countless secrets. And I guess this world too. We're finding new species everywhere.
Yeah.
The Galapagos Islands, located off the coast of Ecuador, are famous for their remarkable wildlife. More than 1,000 species of plants and animals found there exist nowhere else on Earth, including giant tortoises and marine iguanas. Now, scientists have added another unique resident to that list, a tiny blue octopus previously unknown to science. Would you like to know more?
How do these guys survive, I wonder, being that small? You'd think that they would be prey to...
They got the ink, so they can shoot the ink and jet off.
Okay. The newly identified species was described in a paper published in the journal Zootaxa on May 25th of this year. The octopus was first encountered during a 2015 deep sea expedition aboard the EV Nautilus. The mission was carried out in partnership with the Charles Darwin Foundation and the Galapagos National Park Directorate. Okay.
Researchers used a remotely operated underwater vehicle to investigate the seafloor near Darwin Island, the northernmost island in the Galapagos archipelago. The island is named after Charles Darwin, whose observations there contributed to the development of his theory of evolution.
While surveying an underwater mountain approximately 5,800 feet below the ocean surface, the ROV's camera captured an unusual sight: a tiny blue octopus moving across the seafloor. Audio recorded during the dive captured the scientists' excitement as they watched the animal appear on screen. He's tiny. It's blue. Using the ROV, the team successfully collected the octopus. During the same expedition, they also recorded footage of two other individuals that appeared to belong to the same species.
So what does that mean? They collected, they scooped it up, and
They stole it.
ate it?
They stole it.
They captured it.
They stole it.
Huh.
They removed it from its natural environment. That's stealing.
Yeah. So did they eat it? I wonder if they ate it.
I don't know.
Huh.
Like you were saying about the blue ink, that would not be probably not be good. But yeah, it sounds like they absconded with this blue octopus. I could see this little critter being in a Disney movie. Not that I'm Disney, definitely. But you know, that could be the next little cute little critter. So
after returning from the expedition, researchers brought dozens of deep sea specimens to the Charles Darwin Research Station for examination. Among the collected animals, the small blue octopus immediately attracted attention.
Roughly the size of a golf ball, it did not. It did not match any known species. Seeking expert help, researchers contacted octopus specialist Janet Voigt and sent her a photograph.
Scientists at the research station preserved the specimen in alcohol and formalin. Oh, so they killed it before sending it from the
Galapagos. They killed it.
Yep. To the Field Museum in Chicago, where Voigt, curator emerita of invertebrates at the Field Museum in Chicago, and the lead officer of the study describing the new species, could study it in detail. The specimen turned out to be a species never before documented by science. However, studying it presented a challenge.
You know, this is funny. I used to have a octopus in a jar with, I guess, I don't know if it was formaldehyde or I may still have that thing here somewhere. I've had it since I was a kid. It's in a jar.
It's probably next to your jar of toenail clippings.
I don't keep those anymore. It was about
you sold them to the museum.
Yeah, it was about an 8-ounce jar. So the body of this octopus was about the size of the octopus they're talking about. It was about as big around as a golf ball. My mother hated that fact that I had it, and I don't even remember how I got it. But anyway, okay, where are we at here? When you describe a new species of octopus, you have to look at all the parts, including the mouth, the beak, and the teeth. And to see those things, you have to cut the specimen open. Well, then it's definitely dead, right? We only had one specimen, so I didn't want to take it apart, says Voigt. Oh, well.
To avoid damaging the only known specimen, Voigt partnered with Stephanie Smith, manager of the Field Museum's X-ray computed tomography laboratory, to create detailed micro CT scans. CT imaging works by combining thousands of X-ray slices into a highly detailed three-dimensional digital model. This technique, it's sorcery. This technique allows researchers to examine internal structures without physically opening a specimen. Sorcery.
In the case of the tiny blue octopus, the scans revealed important anatomical details, including structures inside its mouth. Those findings provided the evidence needed to formally recognize it as a new species and determine its evolutionary relationships with other octopuses or octopi, right?
Octopi, yeah.
The new species has been named Microelidodoni Galapagenus.
There you go.
Okay. Sounding out my words. Beyond its striking appearance and rarity, the discovery also marks an important milestone for Voigt.
Although she has spent 4 decades studying octopus evolution, this is the first time she has officially led the scientific description of a new octopus species. Researchers say discoveries like this highlight how much remains unknown about the deep ocean and why continued exploration is essential for conservation.
Okay, I'm going to put the scenario out to you. So let's say you and I are fishing off the coast of the Galapagos Island, and we hook onto one of these little critters, and we put it in our bait tank or our fish tank, and we take it in, and the authorities see that we have this. Would we not probably be arrested for smuggling or stealing a rare critter?
Yeah, it's a felony. Smuggling rare critters is a felony.
So how do these guys get away with that? How do these guys get away with it? I mean, I think it's cool that they found it, but
in the name of science.
Oh, okay. Of course.
You can do many things in the name of science.
Yeah.
That you couldn't otherwise do.
I guess so. So
one is make a YouTube channel.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, and there's probably a lot of people out there that think we should be arrested for that too. So okay. Thanks everyone. We'll see you on the next one.
See ya.